Again, I will open one more my folder called see in the E folder, in the work folder, then again React June July. So JavaScript file I am opening. So just I am clicking here cmd code space dot enter. Then I am going to close this one. The once it is closed, so I will open the file. Okay, this is the one. So Satyam was now joined. So Satyam, I given this URL, right? So when you open this one, let's say I will close this one. I will open this one. One minute. Forward slash and tutorial. The tutorial. Once if you open this link, it will come Bootstrap. So you have to click here. Okay. Then you have to go for a JavaScript. Again, if you want to go for home page and if you want to see the HTML content, so if you want to practice means everything is here. Okay. The next is a CSS is there. You have to all the content is there. You have to go it and practice it. Okay. The next is a JavaScript. So JavaScript, yesterday we have discussed about the function and objects. Sorry, objects and events related we have discussed yesterday. So we are going to deep into functions. So yesterday where we are stuck, see, events and function we have discussed. Input type on click. So okay, I will run this one. Open with a live server. So automatically it will start running on a server is started at 5500. So then I am going to 127 5500. The file will be 4. So if I click means auto. So clicking is an event. Clicking is an event. So multiplication of these two number and showing the output is that is a function. See here. Button type is button and on click is an event. Once you click on that button, so it will call the add function. So this is the add function. Here is an add function window dot alert 20 star 2 means which is the answer will be a 40. So if you want to do a division, so just do 20 by 2, save it and run it. See, 2 tens are 20. So this is the how it will work. Okay, so we got to know what is in a function and what is an event. The function is a one thing. The JavaScript function is a block of a code designed to perform a particular task. See, JavaScript function is a block of a code which is to design to perform task. What task? So 20 divided by 2 we are doing the one task. So if you want to do 20 star 2 means it is a one multiplication task. So this is how it will work. Okay, so this is the addition JavaScript function block code of designed to perform a particular task. JavaScript functions is executed when something invokes or a calls. Something invokes means so this is the on click or a event or this event is happening. So if you want to show one more thing on mm, mouse over will be one event will come. Mouse over. See, mouse over means something. If you this is the cursor is here. If I drag and drop here, not drag and drop it, I have dropped this cursor means automatically output will be printed. See here. See, I am not clicking. Okay, so just I am moving a cursor and placing. So automatically on output is coming. This is called a or these are all the events. What is the event? Mouse over means keeping the mouse on that add button, so automatically it will print the value. So this is like that we have so many events. So what are all the events? So mm, See, these are all the events are there. See here, mouse or mouse click. These are all the events. On scroll, on reset, on ready state change. These are all the what I can say the JavaScript events. So we are using the on click as the event. We got to know what is the function, how it is a function. Function is the keyword. Function is the keyword. This is the function name, and this is the function body. So here we are going to pass the parameter or not without a parameter we can pass. Okay. So this is the how it will work. So JavaScript function. The next is a what is an object. So two things we have clear there. One is a function, one is an event. So event is means something is happening. HTML events are a things that happens to the HTML elements. When the JavaScript is used with the page, JavaScript can react to something things whenever the things that happens to HTML. What is happening here? If a clicking is happening, so that's why it is printing. When something is happened, so that is called an event. So this is the function, then this is the event. Then JavaScript object. So what is an object? We have already learned about the JavaScript variable and containers of the data variable. The code is a see object is nothing but which will hold the states and behavior. What is an object? So just I will illustrate with the one graphical view. So this is my car. Okay, I have a two wheel. Let's assume okay this is your car. So this is an object. So object again it is divided into two parts. Okay. So what is the other two parts? One is a state or a property. What is that one? A state or a property. And one more thing is called a method. If including these two, we can call as a object. Got it? So state or a property and method is including all this we can call as an object. So car is an object. Now here it is a car is an object. Okay. How car is an object? Yes, I will tell. What is the state of car? Car model and a price and mileage and year of a release. Okay. Anything it is visible to us, so that is called a state or a property. Then what is a method? A car can run, a brake, and what is it? Stop. Got it. So including these two, we can call as a car an object. So car is an object, so which is having the state and properties and methods. So that is the state or a property of a car is the car model, price, mileage, year of release, and the car methods are a run, brake, stop. So including the object is a real world entity. So car is also a real world entity which is having a states and the methods or a property and the methods. Okay. So same thing, anything that is visible for that is called an object. Yes. So if you see the person, let's I will change to this to person. Okay. So what is the state of the person? First name, last name, gender, email, phone number, address, location, pin code, job, etc. These are all the a state or a property. And what is the method of the person? He can talk, run, jump, laugh, cry, uh, uh, like sit down, stand up, like that. These are all the actions. So these are states and and methods are a property and methods we can club into together, we can call as an object. Okay, I am going to take a one example. Okay, so I want to take a, okay, how to define an object. Okay, so I want to copy this one, or else I will go here. I want to take a one more file called a JS file 5.html. So now a doc, save it. Okay, so I want to, so what is over here? HTML, sorry, JS objects, JS objects. So what is an object? So first of all, what I will do, I will create a one script tag, and I will create a one paragraph tag for ID equal to a demo. Save it. Now I want to create an object. So constant. What is a constant? The constant is a keyword which is used to create a constant value. Constant value means it is not changeable. Once you define, that's defined. So let's take a person is an object. Open, close the flower bracket. Then a first name colon issue. The next is a last name Modi. And a gender is a male. And location is okay. This is an object. Okay, so this is an object. So now, and one more integer value, what I will do, mobile number. Okay, mobile number, something like that. So this is the mobile number. This is not my mobile number, just I randomly entered this number. Okay, this is an object. Okay, so we got to know how to define object. Constant, using a constant keyword. Person is an object, and this is the whole object containing a property names and property value. This is the property name, property value. Property name is first name, property value is issue. Property name is last name, property value is Modi. Property name is gender, property value will be male. Property name, property value. Property name, property value. So this is the how to do. So for this, I don't want to use a double quote because it is an integer. Okay, so just I am using a like this. Okay, here also they are not using. So now I want to print this one. So this is an object, so I want to print. How to print this one? So document dot get element by ID of double quote demo dot inner HTML equals to person. Is it prints? No. Let's see the output. Why it will not print? I will go to the browser 127.5.0, then JS file. See, it will print like this. So if you want to print some specific value, person dot first name, save it, run it. See this one. So now I want to define a last name also. So how to define last name? So you add some space here. Okay, double quote, and add some concatenation plus symbol, means it is a concatenation. So this code is for only adding a space between the two uh, values. Next is a person is an object, and the last name is a this one. So if I go to here, see the first name and the last name. So how it is printing? It is printing. It is taking a person object first, then the property name. So immediately the property value will be displayed. This is a person is an object and the property name is the last name, so that is why it is printing. So like that we are going to print. Again I will add a one space here. Then I will add a concatenation. Then concatenation a person dot mobile number. Save it, run it. See here. First name, last name, mobile number, it is printing. How it is printing? Person dot first name, it is printing Vishu. Person dot last name, it is printing this one. Person dot mobile number, it is displaying this one. So this is the how we have to access the object value. Okay. So do not declare the strings, number, booleans as an object. Okay, this is a how given. So okay, only if you know means this much means this is a more enough. Okay, what is an object? So events already we have learned. Event is a something is happened with the HTML elements. Okay, for that HTML element, the JavaScript is going to be a reacted. So HTML events means an HTML web page has been. What is an event? Something it is clicked or something has changed or something page load is happened. So that is called an event. Okay, so this is a text content is there, you just go through it. Okay, the next is the major thing is the string. This is very important, I'm telling. Okay, JavaScript string is a zero or a more character written inside the codes. Okay, uh, so here let's I will go with an example, same example only. I want to add some horizontal line here, horizontal line. After that something called a string operations. String operations. So what I'm going to do, so I want to print. First I will declare a one string here. What is the string here? In JavaScript I am coming here and let x equals to, what is this one, Amitabh Bachchan. So this is a string. So how I am going to print? Document dot write equals to, what is this one, x. Save it, run it. See here, Amitabh Bachchan, it is printing. So this is a string. A string means it is quoted into. So let I want to print one more thing. Let y equals to uh, Akshay Kumar. So I want to print a value. Document dot write of y, save it. So go to here. See here. I want to make a some break line here. BR means it will break the line. Go to say why it is not taking. Sorry, I have to paste here. Okay, save it, run it. See here, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar. So you can use either double quote or single quote. That not matters. So the X value is containing Amitabh Bachchan, so that is printing X. So using document dot write, and the Y value is Akshay Kumar, document dot write. So bracket plus Y. So this is how it is printing. Okay, so this is all about printing the value. So a string. So I want to find the length of the string. So I want to find the length of the string. Instead of printing this value, I want to print the length. So how to print the x dot? See, these are all the methods. See, these are all the methods of a string. So what is the x? X is now a string variable. So if you want to see the string length, string length is the function. It will print the a number of characters is there. Y dot a length. Save it, run it. We go to here. So what is the problem? Save it. So there is an error. You have to go to the console. X dot length is a function. So yes. So what I will do? I will remove this one. This is not the needed. See here. Amitabh Bachchan is a 14 character. Akshay Kumar is a 12 character. So if you want to print with the text, Amitabh Bachchan total string length is x dot length, and what is this one? Akshay Kumar total string length is here. Amitabh Bachchan total string length is 14 and Akshay Kumar total string length is 12. Okay, this is the how it will works. So these are all the string length. A string is also an object when, so let x is John, now it is a variable. So but string can also be defined as an object when let y equal to new. Whenever you use a new operator with the string, so automatically it will act as an object. So object when it will become an object, see, let x equal to John is there. So same thing, if you let x equal to new string John means this is an object and but this is a variable. Why? Because so we are using with a new keyword. Okay, when you use a new keyword it will be an automatically an object. Okay, so that is a but a string. The next is a string method. So this is very important, again I am telling. So I want to create a one more file called a js file 6.html already. So then I will create a document, save it, and what is this one? A string methods. Okay, string method. So why we need a string method? Let's go here. JavaScript string methods help you to work on with the strings. How it is working? Primitive like John. So I want to go with one example. Okay, so I have this string. Okay, string apple banana kiwi. So let part equal to str dot slice of 7 comma 13. So how to do this one? So after this do I will add some paragraph to display the value. So id equal to a demo. So or else you don't need this one also. I will directly print here. So what I will do, I will take a script tag and let variable what is it one? Let str equals to I going to take the fruits like I will take apple banana and one more fit like grapes. Save it, run it. So what I will do first, I will write the length, total length of the string. Document dot write of total length of string variable plus equal to, what is the string variable? str. Then how to check the length? length, length. So I want to print this one with the 6.html. The total length of the string is variable is 20. So I want to print the string also. So how to print the string? So again I will add a concatenation. The string is str. See here. The total length of the str variable will be a 20. The string is apple, banana, grapes. Apple, banana, grapes. So I want to slice. Okay, how to slice? Slice means cut. Document dot write of slicer string string and the plus. So what I will do, how to slice? First I have to take the string variable. What is the string variable? str. How to slice? Slice. So from where to where? So I want to slice from index. So every string is containing a with the integer value of index. So I want to slice from the 7 comma 13. Okay. So total character will be how many character? Total character will be 20. So I want to slice from the 7 to 13. So what I will do, I will add some break here. So it will take to the new line. See here. So I have sliced from 7 to 13. What is the seventh number? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh place is banana. 7th, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it will slice from the 7 to 13 means, so it will print like this. So if you want, so that's why 7 to 13 means, so this is the banana. So that's why here it is printing a banana. Got it? So this is called a string slice. So so here this is, you can take a negative value also. Negative means reverse, -7 minus 13 like this. So it will string the slice string, not minus, or else take -7 minus 9 slice string. So I will add a break here. So -1 I will let you know. Okay. So save it, run it. So this is the banana is sliced. The next is a substring. The substring, see, substring is the same as the slice method only, but it will not take the negative values. So that's it. Then one more thing is a sub str. Sub str and slice are similar. The difference is that second parameter is the slice the length. Okay, means from the seventh index, how many character needs it to be sliced. So from the seventh page means, so what is the substring here? I will demonstrate. Document dot write of double quote less than, I will add one break. What is the example? So that is a sub str of substring substr method. Okay, so how to do this one? So first I will concatenate, then I will add some equals to it, will give a more meaning. What is the string value? Str and sub str. Then how to do this one? From seventh. See, seventh index is fine. So after seventh index, how many character you need to display? So I want to three. Save it, run it. See here, the substr method, the first index will be from where to start, and second index will be how many character. If you make a 5, it will print the 6, it will print the full whole banana. If you want to print some other character, make it as a 10. See, banana, grapes. So make it as a 14. See, it will print the banana. What is the difference here? It will slice, so his method is from where to where, then the substring method from where and how many characters. Okay, from the seventh index and till how many characters? From 7 to 13 means, so that is a slice method. From 7 to how many characters? 3 characters or 2 characters or 5 characters. So that is called a substr method. Okay. So if you know this much means, so that's more enough. Okay. What is a number? So JavaScript number means that's so number. So I don't want to go deep here. As I explained string no, so this is related to number. So you just go through it, and if you have any doubts, so you can ask me. Okay. So next array. So this is very important. I am telling. So why important? So your whole life will be like objects, arrays, functions. This is only you are going to. Why use array? If you have a list of items, the list of car names, for example, storing that car is a single variable. What is that? That car is it's different car. Why we in the array we are going to store the similar value. How? Let's say if student is an array means what we are going to do? We have to add all the information like student ID, name, first name, last name, email, and mobile number, which grade, everything we will make a one array and push it. Like that, we in the class 60 members means we are all 60 members we are pushing into an array. Okay. So how to create an array? Constant array name. Okay. Let's I will create a one array. So how to create a? So this is all about a string method. So I want to create a I will create a one more file for the JS file 7.html doc, save it. Then I want to h2 called a JavaScript array. Open it, close it. So here we are going to create an array. So now constant array equals to any name. The array name should be anything. Something called a Harish, Praveen, Mithun, So this is the array. So array means this is the name type of a array. So I want to print this array. So how to print this array? So so first I will write this array in a script tag. Then I want to print. So how to print? So if you want to print means document dot write of array dot array of 0. So what is the special thing of array is it will always store with a 0 index. It will see total how many characters are there? One, two, three is there. So if you want to print the length of array length, it will print the 2. Yeah, array length is see total length will be 3, but index will be 0, 1, 2. So I want to print the first element. How to do this one? Array of 0 means it will print the first element is a Harish. If you want to print the second element, so that is the 1. So this is placed at 0, this is placed for 1, and this is placed for a third letter. 3, save it, run it. See 3, why it is not taking? It will take only 2. So as per our total items is 3, but the starting index will be a 0, 1, 2. So that's why last element Mithun is showing. As per if you print a, I have a 3 element, I want to print a third element like this means it will throw an undefined because there is a no element of a index 3 because it is starting with a 0, 1, 2. So totally 3 items are there, index is 2. If you want to see the index 3 here, then add a one more thing, save it. If you know print the 3 means it will print the 3. It means a 0, 1, 2, a 3. So array of 3 means it is printing the this one. Okay. So if you want to access that array means you can access the object. So difference between array and object. The JavaScript arrays are numbered indexes. In JavaScript objects are named indexes. Yeah. So this is how we are going to create an array. So if you want to create a new array using a new operator, it will act as an object. So constant points new array. You can create like this also, or else you can create a like this also. Okay. So here it is as a JavaScript array. So here we have a JavaScript methods. So JavaScript method you can just go through it, okay? How to push means where it is shooting, and pop means where it is popping. So this is all about a push or pop. So I am adding a mango, so I want to remove means so that is a pop. So I have a fruit array. I want to push one more element called kiwi fruit. So that is called a push. Push means add, pop means remove. So this is a very example. So I already shared this link. You just go through it and work on it. Okay. So today I am going to stop this session. So we'll tomorrow we'll have a session.